Welcome to today's tutorial where I'll be walking you through a precise and professional approach to brow carving, a key technique for achieving well-defined and clean brows. In this detailed guide, you will learn how to outline and shape the brows, techniques for carving using concealer, tools and products recommended for precision, pro tips to enhance and create a polished finish. Whether you're a makeup artist or simply refining your personal technique, this tutorial offers clear steps and expert insights to help you master brow carving with confidence, and a pro tip on how to do your eye makeup like a professional. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and professional beauty content. So just prepping our brows with setting powder. This is to control oil, and then I'm taming her brows with my brow tamer, after which I'm going to be using this brow pencil from Davis to draw her brows. So you can see that I have every hair in her brows that have been tamed, and then it kind of give me a quick and a precise drawing of her brows because I didn't have to stress, just basically drawing her brows, shaping it the way I want it, even though I'm still going to use concealer. And then the next phase is, when I'm done with that, I'm also going to draw this side of her brows by following her brow angles. And then the next thing you go for is concealer. I'm using a flat brush. I think I'm just used to this brush. You can use angle brush, whatever brush works for you. So I'm using the same concealer I use for her under eye, and I'm also using to conceal her brows. Then I go back to the foundation I used for her face to clean up her brows from the top. This is to avoid any kind of overly highlighted brows. So I'm also going to do this in the other side of her brows. So the next thing is to buff the concealer, buff it, make sure it's smooth, make sure everything is well smooth, buff it out so it won't cause any crease by the time you are applying your eyeshadow. So the next thing I went in with actually eyeshadow primer. You see, it's different from concealer. It was somehow whitish here. So after which I entered into eyeshadow. Now this is the part that always give out that kind of look that you want. Once you start your eyeshadow application like this, it makes it faster and easier. Then after which I'm going to be dabbing her inner corner with darkest shade, which is black eyeshadow. I'm actually going for a smoky eye, so the smoky starts now from her inner corner, which I'm going to be blending through her eyes. I blend and blend, and when you are blending, you make sure you are soft in blending. Make sure the blending is soft. You don't hit the inner eye. You don't hit it much. You just blend with soft hand. So after blending, and then I'm going into it with shimmer. I'm using a golden shimmer, to dab. Look at the way I'm tapping it. You just tap, 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 tap. You don't scrub. You tap into her eye. So, and I blend it around just to, blend out any harsh line that might be there. After which, I'm going in with my glitters. So I'm also applying golden glitters with a touch of, a shining one in order to pop it out. So I went back to the brows, to be able to make it very precise. I'm using the darkest pencil from Zaron. And to her waterline, I'm using another Zaron pencil for her waterline. My client is very teary, so I needed to take it easy with her. I'm going in with her lashes. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification button to get notification whenever I post a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.